Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how I made these delicious Boulangere potatoes. So simple to make but really delicious, and one of my favourite potato recipes. Okay, so I'll start by peeling and slicing 2 onions as thinly as I can. Once sliced, I'll fry them off under a medium heat, and I've already preheated my oven to 180 Celsius. In the meantime, I've already peeled some potatoes and I'm just going to slice those as thinly as I can, and I'm using the Maris Piper variety. In between slicing, I'll just check on my onions and give them a quick stir. Giving the potatoes a wash, and I'll leave them in some cold water for now. I've got 1 veggie stock cube in a jug, and I'll pour over 450 millilitres of boiling water. Here I'm just rubbing some butter all over my oven-proof dish. After that's done, I just start layering some potatoes on the bottom of the dish. My onions are nice and soft, and I'm just going to load half the onions on top of the potatoes. And I'll season with a sprinkling of pepper and thyme. And then I load with another layer of sliced potatoes. And the rest of the sliced onions on top. And I season that layer again with some thyme and pepper. And then I load the last of the potatoes on top. And I season again with a sprinkling of thyme and pepper. Then I'm going to drop a few cubes of butter on top. And lastly, I'll pour in the vegetable stock. I didn't add any salt just because I find the stock to be salty enough for me. So I'll pop this in the oven now, and I'll bake at 180 Celsius, and I'll cook for about an hour until the potatoes on top are golden brown and the ones in the centre are all soft and soaked up all the stock. So my Boulangere potatoes took 50 minutes to cook. If you find that the potatoes are getting too brown but not cooked, then just cover with some foil. So I hope you get to give them a try. I'm sure you'll love this simple potato dish. I hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. For more delicious recipes like this, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourselves, and I will see you in the next one.